What if you could travel to France for the evening, visit a Christmas market and eat croissant, cheese or crepes without leaving the Philippines? This is what Nelson wanted to do by organizing the first French-Filipino Christmas market in Makati. Bonjour Philippines! Today we are in Ayala Triangle in Makati and we're going to join Nelson, who's missing, right? He's so busy preparing the first ever French-Filipino Christmas market here in the Philippines. So let's see him because he's kind of super busy, alright? Nelson!
Seeing that in the chat. Right.
Nelson, stop pretending you're busy. Okay, this is Nelson.
We were presenting.
Yeah, we were pretending, but actually we were.
They're super busy preparing.
Yeah. But we're almost set up.
We have Adrian today, we have Nelson together, they're working together with Patrice, I don't know where it is.
Patrice is so busy, bro.
And they're preparing this Christmas market. So a lot of people already arrived, right? French, Filipino is the first ever.
So it's the first ever French-Filipino Christmas market and I'm partly organizing it with Adrian and Chef Patrice that we will see later. I'm so excited, it's the first day so I'm a bit stressed also.
What time is it now? 4?
Almost 4. The show starts at 4. So today it's a special day because we have 25 singers coming from France. We have singers from the Philippines, we have artists and everything is getting ready. There is a lot of people. So in this video we'll show you the show, we'll show you everything and then of course at the end the Christmas light.
Yeah, I can't wait to see that, huh? Congratulations for your event.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not over yet.
Adrian, congratulations as well.
Hello guys.
So yeah, let's check it out, this first Christmas
Join
market.
us with us. Yeah, join us with us.
Allez.
Come on.
The French-Filipino Christmas market is located in Ayala Triangle and is open from December 3 to December 31 for all months of celebration.
Nelson is having problem, there's no electricity right now, so look at him, he's not feeling good right now.
Non, donc il n'y a rien. Que l'électricité est revenue, c'est bon. Ok? Oui. Ok. Je me stresse pas.
Ok. Partout, hein? Ok.
He was stressed.
Patrice, I think, is at his maximum stress level. We are actually at our maximum stress level right now.
After a quick talk with the team, the show could finally start. What a relief!
Christmas market.
Let's
from
film
France.
the opening ceremony. It's now. It's happening now. Let's go.
What's happening now?
The opening ceremony, bro.
What's happening now?
I cannot think. I cannot.
Formally inaugurate this
There is a French ambassador and the
Christmas
mayor of
market.
Makati,
I'd like to call
and
it
then
a very
artists
special.
coming now. The 25 singers from Paris will start actually.
Oh, they're singing now.
Yeah, singing.
Let's go.
After the national anthem, 5 giants from France and the Philippines arrived in the park, and the children were so happy. After a short speech from the French ambassador Michel Bocuse, the Christmas market is officially open.
2, 1.
So this is the end of the official ceremony. So now everyone is going around the Christmas market. And you know what is great? We don't have electricity. So it's full, people are laughing, people are happy, and that's for me the most important. Electricity will come back, and we don't need electricity. We can do it like that.
Yeah, we need people who's having fun.
Yes. So let's have fun. Let's eat some food. Let's show you some booth.
Exactly.
Let's go. So we wanted to eat a crepe, but there is so many people. Actually, it's good, but we are hungry. We have 18 vendors selling French food. Some are a bit shy, some are my friend. They are shy. We'll visit them, try their product, try French food, see if people like it, if we like it as well, and we'll show everything.
We were so hungry, so we made our first stop at the Lémy Bistro to eat a delicious French raclette with crêpes.
Nelson is paying anyway. 3 montagnards.
No, two, mate.
3 montagnards. Is it very big or is so-so?
We are actually making crepe, and here it's raclette, so it's really a fusion crepe and raclette.
Wow.
Which is
What cheese do you use? Raclette cheese or what kind of cheese?
it's proper raclette. You can see there. Actually, we have it there.
So we will have crepe and raclette at the same time? Or?
Yeah, at the same time.
Okay.
Basically, this is a couple of friends who just wanted to make a little gift, so you can see. Then you can add content, okay, and you get your own picture, the picture you send us.
Great afternoon.
Yes,
Welcome to BG. Yeah, okay.
C'est bon?
Il est bon le chocolat. Hein? Ouais, super bon.
Alex, what do you think? It's good?
Did you try the chocolate? The chocolate part.
Not yet?
That's the best
bite
part.
chocolate, I'm filming you.
Good.
Okay, good.
You have a good point.
So now we are visiting the different booth of the market. There is so many nice products and amazing people who will try French tacos. It's a famous street food in France. We'll try pastries, crepe, and then there is this couple. They have a shop store with reused things. It's really nice and they are so nice. So if they are not so busy, I would like to talk to them and maybe find a clothes for my baby, for my little girl coming. I'm not sure if it's possible. Do you have clothes for a baby girl? Yes, because I will be a dad soon. Oh, yes, and so yeah, I will be a dad soon. Eileen, what do you recommend for baby girl?
Of course, the box is here.
The boxer here
Of course.
for like a really baby
There's
girl.
about 6 months to 1 year old.
Do you have 3 months?
Not yet.
So she have to wait. She have to be patient.
Yes, anyway, they grow fast. Really fast. Yellow. Or the blue one.
Okay, how much is it?
Just 100.
Just 100. Super cheap. And can you tell us the story?
3, 250. 250 for 3.
I thought you were going to say 300.
That's why I said in the video you are my favorite merchants. That's why, because they are fun.
It's hard to move around because there is so many French and people we know, but it feels great to connect the Philippines and France together.
We just met Leila, she's from France, and she saw our video from France coming to the Philippines, so that's super cool, yeah. We're so happy about it. So she'll be in our next episode as well.
This is Vic.
Nice to meet you, I'm John.
Nice to meet you. Wait.
Nice, I like your tacos.
Yeah.
It's really guapo, huh?
Yeah,
really
no,
guapo.
I'm saying like you. And because you eat tacos every day, that's why you have so much muscle.
I think you need to eat tacos every
I
day.
need to eat tacos every day, yeah.
So what is
your
tacos?
secret?
What is tacos?
The secret is go to the gym.
The secret. And eat tacos.
And eat salad.
Okay,
So what's your French taco?
Yes.
French taco is like basically in Paris.
Yeah.
Yeah. The
It's the
old
most
tacos.
it's the most famous street food right now.
Yeah, street food
Like
in Paris.
kebab.
It's like kebab, it's very famous, but it's a tacos, but not really. Vic, what is the difference with the tacos?
The difference between the tacos and the Mexican and the French tacos was like
the Mexican tacos, they don't put French fries on it.
Okay.
But the one in France, we put fries on it. So we have like the sauces and the cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could we try your tacos?
Okay, sure.
Which
Alec, I can't wait for you to try it. Alec is our videographer, by the way, for today. This is one of my employees.
It's okay. I think you need to. Yeah, this one.
she's stressed. I think she's like, I will burn my tongue.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous.
We're doing a mukbang now, huh?
Yeah. Oh. It's so hot.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's Algeria, huh?
Very creamy inside. Very creamy.
That's what we know.
But that's the cream that gives the muscle. You know, that's all this cream. That's my kind of muscle, you know.
It's now almost nighttime, and being from France, a country with a lot of Christmas markets, I got the feeling of being home, and it warmed my heart.
Okay, after the tacos, bro.
Now we have to go for dessert, I guess. We have the crepe and the pastries. I need to try the pastries.
We're going to explode, huh?
Yeah.
I think.
You
Alec,
okay?
you okay?
You're full? You want to help? You need help? I like it so much.
After a delicious crepe, we went to the light show next to the Christmas market, and we were amazed by the number of people watching the light show. Kids, adults from all around Luzon are gathering here to celebrate Christmas in a magical atmosphere.
Bro, are you happy?
So happy, bro. So relieved that there is so many people. Vendors are happy. They make sales, and it's beautiful. Woo! It's a good feeling. Good feeling. Yeah, great feeling.
You can come and see this show every day from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. For us, this is a place to be during Christmas, especially if you visit Manila.
Congrats, brother. I know you're super happy about the event, the lights, the Christmas market.
Tired. What a conclusion. It's beautiful. The show was amazing. Now it's time to sleep, to go home, John, no?
I need to sleep. We've been working so much to connect French and Filipino, I think, since the last week. You know, it's the 75th
It's been 6
anniversary.
years we connect French and the Philippines.
Yeah, but this year, we gave a lot of ourselves.
We gave a lot.
Yeah.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, please do subscribe to our channel and look.
Sorry.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, please subscribe to our channel and watch our video. Us, it's time to leave.
Yeah, it's time
I cannot talk anymore.
It's time to leave. I'm so tired. It's time to leave.
Let's have wine. Let's have wine.
Let's have some red wine.
Bye, guys.